So today we are exploring this Amazon liquidation center, details in the description. So let's see if this is worth it or what they're actually selling in there. So as soon as we enter the main door, you'll see that there are a couple of speakers, and inside the door on the left you'll see that there are some tools and electronics, and specifically on the starting there are some carpets, and you'll also find some mechanical drills that you can use. So that's at the start, and as we move along there are a couple of lamp posts, some electronics, some dryers, and then as we move along there are these benches that will have some closed boxes, some open boxes, and also you will see there are certain covers, and then some wires, some cables, and also some DVDs that you can see here. And it's a vast store, but on these tables it's not specific, but you'll find some suitcases on the wall, and then there are some electric scooters that you'll see here, although they're not for $10, but I think they would be cheaper than the market. I was not interested in these, so I didn't explore these, but they look quite heavy, so if you are interested you can come and explore this. Then some blankets and then speakers on the side, and some more suitcases that you see. And I said there are some closed boxes and open boxes, and especially on Wednesday everything is $3, and then on Lundi, that's Monday, in French that's $8, and Mardi. So all these days you can see on the wall. So if you want plan to come, you can just see which day is cheapest. I think that's Wednesday, and you can come on Wednesday, and the items would be for that much. And on the other side, if you see, like I said, there are a lot of electronics that you'll see, such as the steam cleaner that was there, some kids toys, and then some storage or shopping baskets. And on the top you'll see that there are some air fryers here as well. And on these benches there are a lot of phone covers, wires, and such as this webcam that I saw, some brand new TVs. And there is also a section for clothes, but I think those are used clothes, so just stay away from those. And then some bathroom fixtures you can find here, and also something to just lie down in your balcony. Some solar lights that are here for $15 that you can also see if you're interested. Some perfumes you can buy here. And on the front there is this main frame where you have some other electronics, such as some robo pets, and also some bicycle for your kids if you're interested in. But overall, if I say, I think the place is okay. Overall, I would come to this place just for some quick connectors or cables if I am in need. So if you want, you can just visit this. Maybe you'll find something useful for yourself. For watching, and do subscribe to my channel for some other content in Montreal area.